Double-clicking Illustrator's tools gives you access to their options. So if you do that with the blend tool, for instance, then you get the options for the blend you're about to create. But you also see there's a preview here, which is grayed out. Some other tools also give you that. So here's the graph tool. It doesn't make a lot of sense, for instance, to change the graph type here. So what about that? And then there's the type tool, and when you double click that, nothing happens. But these tools have a secret. They totally change when there's an object selected. Let's take the blend tool. I've got a blend here, and when you then double click it, you get the blend options. The preview is active. So this is a shortcut to the blend options that you usually have to travel into the menu to change. But just double clicking the blend tool gives you access to them. So you can change the options here and then change them. And then you see you've got a different result. And when you select the graph and then double click this, then immediately this makes sense as well, because now you can change the graph type. And then we've got this symbol set here. And when you double click the symbol sprayer tool, then for instance, you can change the symbol set density and also change the optics of that symbol set. And now we get to the type tool. Here we've got an area text, and I'm double clicking the type tool. And now we've also got something happening. It switches to the area type options. So this is a pretty nice shortcut that spares you the way into the type menu, and you can change the area type options. And the same goes for this path text. When you double click the type tool, then you got the type on a path options. And you can change some of these options here. And we've got the preview, and something happens. So you see an important move to just double click some of those tools. Now, did you know that the lasso tool also has a nice secret that you can do only with the lasso tool and with no other tool?